GYEON Iron Wheel Cleaner Redefined combines a dedicated wheel cleaner with a strong iron remover, so baked-on brake dust and metallic grime come off in a single step. The gel texture is noticeably thick, allowing it to cling to spokes and barrels instead of running off, which gives the chemistry more time to work on stubborn contamination. As it reacts with iron particles, it changes to a deep purple color, making it easy to see where the product is actively dissolving deposits and where you may need a second pass. Because the formula is acid-free and pH balanced, it is gentle enough for painted, powder-coated, polished, anodized, chrome, and clear-coated wheels when used as directed. Detailers appreciate that it has the strength needed for heavily used performance cars, yet remains controlled enough for daily drivers and more delicate finishes. The trigger spray bottle lays down an even layer, and with light agitation from a brush, wheels and calipers rinse clean with minimal effort and no harsh chemical smell lingering.